Before I let the robot mow for the first time, I'll clear away anything that could get in the way. For example, a garden hose, gardening tools, children's toys, balls, and other items. By default, the cutting height is set at 3, so that the mower doesn't damage the wire before the grass has grown up over it. After a few days, you can lower the cutting height. In the Start menu, select whether it should start immediately or at the next scheduled time. And off it goes. Now check whether the mower finds its way back to the station. To do this, press the Stop button. Enter the pin on the device and position it about 3 meters from the guide wire facing towards the guide wire. Then use your smartphone to send it how and see what happens. The mower follows the guide wire to the station. Yay, it works! Even so, keep an eye on the mower at first and adjust the cable if necessary. The little guy is still new here.